In this video, I'm going to go over the top 5 problems that we have found with this 3rd generation Jeep Cherokee, from transmission issues to leaks, and you're going to want to stick around for the last one because it could leave you stranded. First, we're going to talk about the engine oil leaks. Now, they can come from either the valve cover, the timing cover, or even the oil pan. It's a good idea to check it out, figure out which part is actually leaking before you just go replacing them. Oil leaks travel down, so if you see oil up at the valve cover, it's a good idea to replace that first and then see if you have any of the others still leaking, wash it down. If not, then you're good. Otherwise, you're probably going to end up doing the timing cover and also the oil pan. Now we're over on the driver's side of the engine bay, and on to the next problem is the throttle position sensor, or the throttle body. When this fails, you're going to notice that the vehicle is hard to start. You might have a hesitation when you're trying to accelerate, and then also a stalling concern. To replace it, it's right up on top. It's not that difficult. Before moving on, I just wanted to let you know that we sell parts, and you can go on our website and watch thousands of videos to help you with your install. So check out 1AAuto.com, get some parts for your Jeep Cherokee. On to the next problem. You're driving along and you hear a little more wind noise than you normally do. Maybe it starts raining and you look down and your carpet's wet. Let's take a look at this. A common area that can cause this is the door seals. Over time, they can break down. They're made of rubber, and they just don't seal as good. So you're going to get air past the seal and also water. It's always a good idea to check other seals just to make sure you're not having a problem somewhere else as well. Now let's talk about the transmission. Some people notice when they shift into reverse a buzzing or whining noise. Now this is caused by the regulator valve in the valve body. Luckily, Jeep has updated the part, and if you have this replaced, you shouldn't have this problem anymore. Now we're on to the last problem. Now this is what we were talking about in the beginning, where you could actually get stranded. Some people are driving along and they notice the battery light come up on their dash, their headlights are flickering or not even working at all. Well, that's because the charging system isn't working properly because of the alternator. The alternator has failed. It's not charging. The vehicle's running off battery voltage alone. Once that battery dies, the vehicle's going to stall and you're not going to be able to move. So if you see that battery light come on, you want to pull over safely and have the vehicle towed. Make sure you get that checked out properly.